it's not in Shona, it's I will, it's not a word standing on its own. It becomes a prefix. So I will becomes the prefix ndicha. Ndicha. So it means ndicha will be combined with whatever the word that we're going to combine with in order to construct our sentences. And usually I will is used in conjunction with a verb, mostly verb which are doing words. So let me give you some examples. I will come tomorrow. Come in Shona, it's uya. Uya. Tomorrow in Shona, it's mangwana. So I will come tomorrow becomes ndicha uya. So we have combined I will, which is ndicha in Shona, with come, which is uya.